What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today is photo shoot day. I just got my hair done with Asia at a curly walk. As usual, my girl built my hair. But yeah, I'm here at the studio waiting on the photographer. We're gonna do the photo shoot today for the pictures for the website. And so hopefully I can get the photos within a week, get them to the website designer within another week, and then have the website up within another week. So pushing to get the website up by New Year. And yeah, that's it, y'all. Showing y'all the BTS of building a hair care brand from scratch. So yeah, that's it, y'all.
So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love.
Did you read, I read the other day that the original line supposed to be God.
Yeah.
And then, but they made him change it.
It was perfect. It's perfect for that.
Yeah.
I still put it in when I say
God, that makes sense instead of love. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
love, those who have faith in you sometimes go astray. Love, through all the ups and downs, the joys and hurts.
Taking pictures ain't easy, y'all.
not at all.
They help me get paid big bucks for them eyes, okay?
The eyes, the body,
Oh, this ain't easy for me. I need to relax.
Many days I've longed for you, wanting you, hoping for the chance to get to know you, longing for
Jesus Christ.
feel your passion. Many nights I've cried from the things you do. Felt like I could die from the thought of losing you. I know that you're real, with no doubts and no fears and no questions.